WITSON.
This is on a Ford Transit Tourneo Connect. I've got a version. The link down below. On this is the screen here. It fits in with the original frame of the car, so all this down below is all standard, and the little screen that you get behind the radio with the buttons down the side, it goes into there. So this does fit quite a lot of other Fords on the same pretense. Works with the original frame of the car. So all these buttons down here are original, all the buttons down below are all original. Works with the steering wheel controls, as you can see there. I'm just going to give you a little rundown of the system. It's an Android operating system, but comes with CarPlay and Android Auto built in. So I'll just basically give you the CarPlay at the moment. So this is CarPlay from your phone. It does work with your SIRI support, and also if you're an Android phone user, it works with Hey Google and stuff. So if I was, hey Siri, hey Siri, call Icebox Auto.
Calling Icebox Auto.
There you go. So just to show you that works with there. This app just brings over music, navigation, text messaging apps from your phone into this here. Alternatively, you can use the Android side. 1 second, excuse me 1 second. You can use the Android side, which is this up here. So Android's only the operating system. It works totally fine with Apple phones, so don't worry about that. So if you want any apps, you just sign into the Google Play Store and download them from there. So all these down here are just shortcuts. So there's your navigation, there's your music app. This one changes the skin. You don't have to put up with this skin here. You can change this menu layout by using that app there. That's your radio app, that's your Bluetooth app, and this little app here, which I've not really had a little play around with it, to be honest with you. So obviously don't know what that does at the moment. So this one's got Google Maps loaded onto there. There's your music app, where you can play it through USB pen. You can put your movies on a USB pen too, and also play your movies on it. This one here is as I say, the skin app, which basically, if we give it an internet connection, you can change the home page on this app here. This one's Bluetooth interface here. 1 second. There's your Bluetooth interface. Going into here, there's your applications. So as you can see, this is an 8-core system, which is the TV version. So it is pretty quick and responsive, as you can see. So I'm just going to give you a little rundown on these before I move on. Your air condition is down below as well as above top, but you can also use the touch screen, as you can see there. So you can use that too, which is a nice feature. 1 second, let me go on the app, go back on. So I'll just give you a little quick rundown on this. The customer's just waiting to go, so we have to be a little bit speedy today. So these ones are relevant. This one here is Good App. So this basically allows you to update any apps that are on there, that the factories have put on there. So you can't get some apps from the Play Store, but you still need to update them. So just for example, this one here is your CarPlay Android Auto one, but you can't get that in the Google Play Store, but that'll be in there. So if you ever want to update it, go in there, give it an internet connection, and then just basically keep the updates from that app there. Air condition, aux. So if you want to stick anything like TV boxes, digital TV boxes through RCA cables that go in through there. Bluetooth, showed you that. Bluetooth animation is the logo that starts up. Here's your car settings. So I'm just going to give you a little rundown of what these have got, but I'm just going to show you in the video, slowly scrolling down. Because a lot of people ask the questions, has it got this from the old screen? And we never confirm, because we may have 99% of the options, but maybe miss one. So we just prefer to show you what's in the video and what's on it. Here you go. Let's have a look in car settings, what's in there. Yeah, so just to show you that anyway. Let's have a look. Google Chrome, that's a browser. Colour, this is basically the LED buttons, not too sure that works. DAB radio, that's for offline DAB, which the customer hasn't gone for. It's got a built-in DSP sound processor, so if you want to customise the output, you can do it through there. File manager, if you know what that is, you know, but you can upload IPTV and stuff like through there if you put on a pen drive. There's a browser, that's a GPS antenna check. Demo map, which we'll delete. Online manual, Google Maps, there's your music, there's your Play Store, there's your radio, steering wheel controls, TPMS, that's if your car's got original TPMS, not too sure if it's got it today. There's your video, see if it's a demo one on there. No, sometimes the factories put a demo one there you can have a little look at, but obviously not. So if you want to put your movies on a pen drive, you can play through there. Oh, that one there, should I say. YouTube, you're probably watching this video on, and that one's a DVR front-facing camera, which the customer hasn't gone for today. Factory's put that on. Okay, hope you like the video, guys.
WITSON